Hi, my name is Nirthan and today we're going to be learning how to multiply indices. Now before we begin, let's first look at a couple of keywords. The big A over here is what we call the base, whilst the small n at the top is what we call the power. Now with that out of the way, let's get to the topic at hand. In order to multiply indices, you first need to look at the bases. If the bases are the same, then that means you need to add the powers together. Now, a common mistake here is to multiply the powers together because we're multiplying indices, but that is not what you want to do. You want to add the powers together, and we'll see why that's the case later on. If the bases are different, however, then that means you cannot add the powers, so you cannot simplify them any further. Let's see how we can apply this in a couple of questions. So here we have x squared times x cubed. So here the bases are the same, so that means we need to add the powers together. And that gives us x to the power of 2 plus 3, which is x to the power of 5. Now the reason why this works is because if we look at x squared, that is x times x, and x cubed is x times x times x. So that means we have 5 lots of x's all together, as you can see here, which gives us x to the power of 5. Now let's look at another example. Here we have x squared times y cubed. Now here the bases are different, so that means we cannot add the powers together, so we just leave the answer as x squared y cubed. Now don't fall into the trap here of just adding the powers together anyways, because that will just lead to the incorrect answer. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful, and thanks for watching.